Nestled in the gentle folds of the Sussex Weald lies a place where history and nature intertwine, a place of romance, resilience, and breathtaking beauty. This is Nymans, a National Trust treasure that offers visitors both a glimpse into the past and a feast for the senses. The story of Nymans begins in the early 19th century with a modest Regency house. But it was in 1890 that Ludwig Messel, a wealthy German-born banker, purchased the estate and began transforming it into something extraordinary. His vision? To create a garden that felt like a painter's dream, lush, romantic, and alive with rare plants from around the globe. Under Ludwig's son, Leonard Messel, the original house was reimagined in a Tudor Gothic style, tall chimneys, decorative stonework, and interiors filled with tapestries and antique furniture. It was both a family home and a showpiece, drawing in garden enthusiasts and society guests alike. But on a cold night in 1947, disaster struck. A fierce fire tore through the building, destroying much of the interior and leaving only a portion of the house standing. While some might have rebuilt, the Messel family chose to preserve the ruins as they were, creating a hauntingly beautiful focal point for the gardens. The gardens are laid out in a series of rooms, each with its own character. You might step from the warmth of a sunlit rose garden into the cool shade of a woodland path within minutes. This shifting scenery was intentional, a way to surprise and delight visitors at every turn. Ludwig Messel and his successors were passionate plant collectors. Seeds and cuttings arrived from as far afield as China, South America, and the Himalayas. Today, you'll find unusual magnolias, towering sequoias, and a dazzling collection of camellias, all carefully maintained by the National Trust. No matter when you visit, Nymans changes with the seasons. In spring, the air is scented with wisteria and cherry blossom. Summer brings a riot of roses and herbaceous borders. Autumn sets the trees aflame in gold and crimson, and in winter, the frosted gardens take on an almost fairy tale stillness. Part of Nymans's charm lies in its intimacy. There are hidden benches tucked behind hedges, narrow stone steps leading to secluded terraces, and unexpected viewpoints where the house appears framed like a picture. The Messels were more than gardeners, they were influential figures in art and society. Oliver Messel became one of Britain's most celebrated theatrical designers, while Anne Messel, Countess of Ross, was the mother of Anthony Armstrong Jones, the Earl of Snowdon and former husband of Princess Margaret. These connections made Nymans a discreet backdrop for gatherings of high society. Today, the National Trust keeps Nymans alive for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're here for the flowers, the architecture, or the atmosphere, there's something for every visitor. Inside, curated rooms offer a glimpse into another era. Outside, nature continues to flourish. Nymans is a place that invites you to linger, to breathe, to wander, and to imagine. It's a living story shaped by vision, loss, and the enduring beauty of nature. It invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and let history speak through its walls and flowers. And each time you visit, it has another story to tell.